Hey guys, good evening to all of you. Welcome to today's session, and in this session, we are going to talk about the important books which you have to refer for your ICSE grade 10th mathematics, right? So, today I'm going to discuss with you with some important books which you must follow for your ICSE 10th grade mathematics part, and these are very few in part what I'm telling you. These are not all of the books which are available in the market. First thing to make it clear, I'm not going to talk about all the books which are available in the market. I have made one combination with the selective reading. You can clear your exam very well with the flying colors. You can clear it. So in that process, I have got four best books. In that phase, I've got the four best books. Now, how to use them? You can replace it with some of the other books. That also all I'm going to talk with you today. So we'll be starting with this now. As all of you know, we are in the global pandemic of this COVID-19. So we are staying at home to make the future better for us, for all the students out there. So please stay at home, stay safe, right? So that is the one thing. And for your learning, Vedantu is always here. So you can refer Vedantu for your learning at home. Got it? So as you know, this quarantine has made all of us very much filled with energy because we don't have anything to do. We are not going out or anything. So this energy, how do you release this energy? Also, for those students who have passed from grade 9 to grade 10th, there is pressure. The schools will start late. The curriculum is there. How do we cover it? What do we do now? What it? How is this corona going to affect? Oh my God, my 10th board are here right now. After 1 year, how will it happen? All those things, the stress, lockdown, everything is here, right? So we'll be starting your preparation soon. You can watch, refer the previous videos also, and start your learning on your own. That is the first thing I would like to tell you all. Make your mind busy. That is going to help you a lot during this lockdown. Make your mind busy. Go for any material present here. If you will see ICSE grade 10th, I have taken a sprint series also, so you can refer that and you can start solving some questions there also. Got it? So these are the things which I wanted to tell you. Now the books which you can refer, the list I have mostly taken four books. So the first book which you can refer is Concise Mathematics of Salina publication, and that is for your the grade 10th mathematics part, right? Now the good thing about this book is that this book is quite precise, and very good questions are there, and which are related to boards. This book, I found it most relevant to the board examination, your examination point of view. It's very relevant. So most of the schools also follow this publications book only for their school curriculum, right? So Salina publication Concise Mathematics is a very good book for your ICSE board examination. Got it? So this is the first book which is on my list. Now the second book I want you to talk about on my list is very similar to this only, and that is your ML Agarwal. Okay, Understanding ICSE Mathematics, ML Agarwal. Now this is again a very good book, bit higher level than Salina Concise, but relevant to boards. So this is again a very good book. So the first two books which I have told you, Salina Concise, Concise Mathematics by Salina Publications, and the second is Understanding ICSE Mathematics by ML Agarwal. These two books are very good. You can choose any one out of that. Either you go with Salina, either you go with Concise, either you go with this ML Agarwal. Any one book you can go with it. Okay, I would like to tell you all one this thing very clearly, that it's not about how many books you read. Many students take it to their heart and they think that if I am completing four books or five books, I'm going to get more marks, but no one has that much time. You don't have only one subject to study, you have all the subjects to study, so you cannot devote 4 to 5 books for one subject. Got it? So what I'm saying, either go for Salina or go for Salina Publications or go for ML Agarwal. Any one of that is good enough. Got it? Now, for those students who want to practice some more difficult problems and more problems if you want to solve, so for them we have R.D. Sharma. Got it? Very thick book there. So this thick book consists of many examples. The main part is one negative part is that it contains some examples which are way beyond the board's level. Got it? So that is the one thing, that is why many students do not refer this book. It's a good book for your practice, but you should know how selectively you have to read this book. You have to be very selective in reading this book. You should know that what kind of questions are there in your boards, what is up to your syllabus, what is not. Because if you are stuck in one question of RD Sharma which is not even related to your boards, and if you wasting your 3-4 days on that single question, that is not going to benefit you at all. So this is for all those self learners, those who want to learn something more than what boards is asking. For them, RD Sharma is a very good book, but I would say, keeping boards point of view, you have to read it selectively. So it is only for selected students who want to go beyond boards. Got it? So for those who want to stick up to only the boards level, for you, Salina and ML Agarwal, these two publications are good enough for your boards preparation. Now these are just the reference book, but no book, no, this list of books will not be complete unless we have a book with sample papers in it, right? So I will be suggesting you together with mathematics. Okay, last 10 years or 15 years papers, you can go for that part. Now in that you'll be getting sample papers, previous year papers, everything. So together with mathematics is a really good book. Okay, you can refer to any other sample paper book as well. There is no restriction from my side or from any teacher that I am only promoting together with mathematics. No, it's not like that. You can go for any sample paper book, any sample paper book which you find. Just make sure it is relevant to your board pattern. Just make sure it is relevant to your board pattern. And how can you make sure about it? Just buy the latest version of it. Okay, if you are in this to 2020, so buy the 2020 publication. Okay, 2020 publication of a series of that part. So that is how you will ensure that, okay, whatever you have bought is according to your latest board pattern. Got it? So you can go for Arihan publication, sample paper, anything you can go. That is all up to you. I have just given a suggestion about together with, but any sample paper book will work good enough along with the previous year paper, because you know, in your boards many questions are highly repetitive. So previous year sample papers, I would not say ki last 15 years do it. Last 5 to 6 years is good enough for your preparation. Got it? So this is going to be how you are going to prepare for your grade 10th ICSC books. For any other questions, you can write down in the comments below, and I'll be make sure that I'll make some I'll go give the suggestions for you all. Any other queries? And these books, make sure, are very much concise, or very much in the constraint I have told you, that I don't want you to read 4 or 5 books. That is why I've told you, go for either Salina publication or ML Agarwal, or if you want to go further, go for RD Sharma, then one sample paper book. So I have just told you only 2 books. Got it? Out of these 4, sample paper you have to get, and out of those, any 3, Salina publication, ML Agarwal, or RD Sharma, any 3, any one you have to choose. I would suggest always go for Salina or ML Agarwal. RD Sharma is way above the boards level. Even after that, you want to learn something more than your boards, go for RD Sharma without thinking about anything else. Got it? So this is all from my side in today's class. Thank you so much for attending this session. I'll be back with some more sessions. Till then, bye bye, good night, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because I'll be coming back with more videos on this channel. Got it? So please like this video, share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for attending the session. Bye bye, good night, see you soon. Bye bye.